Sunbank AS85049 series mil-spec backshells from Eaton provide robust protection against environmental, mechanical, and EMI threats, and are compatible with the main circular mil-spec connector standards for North America and Europe. The backshells are available in aerospace-grade aluminum, stainless steel, or composite materials that optimize weight and robustness, and several surface finishes are available for compliance with different environmental regulations. Sunbank AS85049 backshells are available in straight, 45, and 90-degree options. They're available with a detented locking mechanism or with Sunbank's self-seating locking mechanism for lower profile and lighter weight requirements, with both options providing high vibration resistance. Free rotatable non-locking options are also offered for mild environments. Many backshells allow shields to be attached to protect against EMI and maintain signal integrity.